Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. Gandhi 50 paise, Kolkata Mint 100 rupees. Nehru Mumbai Mint BU 100. 2003 Hyderabad BU 100. English legend and Hindi legend. English legend is for 200. Mumbai Mint. Hindi legend 100. This is one error coin. You can see a core. In the core you can see clip error. Only for 100 rupees. BU condition. This is a Mumbai Mint. Difficult to get in Mumbai Mint error coins. 84 Hyderabad BU condition. 5 paise. 100 rupees each. Asian Games Mumbai BU 100. 25th anniversary Kolkata 200. 83 Kolkata single mint coin, this is BU 200. 89 Hyderabad 100. 84 Hyderabad 100. 95 Noida BU condition 100. BU condition Subhash Chandra Bose Kolkata Mint 200. Indira Gandhi BU Mumbai 100. Kolkata 100 rupees each. 73 Mumbai and 72 Mumbai 10 paise set for 200. 85 Mumbai UNC condition only for 100. 89 Mumbai, this for also 100 rupees. Hyderabad Mint Rural Women 400 UNC condition. Food and Work for All BU condition Kolkata 300. I have two, 300 rupees each. BU Happy Child Nation Pride Mumbai Mint 200. BU Food and Shelter Mumbai 300. Food and Shelter Hyderabad UNC 400. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Kolkata UNC 100. Ambedkar Mumbai BU 300. Railways Mumbai BU 200. Louis Valley Mumbai BU 100 rupees. Rajiv Gandhi Mumbai 100. Rural Women Kolkata UNC 200. Bolu Noida BU 300. Happy Child 10 paise Mumbai BU condition 200. Small Family Mumbai BU 500. Care for Girl Child, this is a UNC condition, but this is a security edge variety. You can see it's not plain edge. You can see only for 400 rupees. Normal coin only they sell rated edge for 300 to 400. This is security edge variety only for 400. Rainfed Farming Kolkata Mint UNC condition 400. Rainfed Farming Kolkata is very scarce. Supreme Court Mumbai Mint BU 300. Asian Games Hyderabad BU 300. Fisheries Hyderabad UNC 200. Food and Shelter 10 paise Mumbai 200. Tamil Conference UNC Mumbai Mint 800. K for Girl Child Hyderabad Mint extra fine condition 400. Chhatrapati Shivaji Mumbai BU condition 300. This is small mint, this is for mint only. $19.90 Noida Mint UNC condition 300. Sant Daneshwar Kolkata Mint BU 400. Food and Environment Mumbai BU condition 400. Commonwealth Games Noida Mint BU 200. Hyderabad BU, this is for 200. Biodiversity Mumbai Mint BU condition 400. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai UNC to BNC type, this is 300. Small Family Mumbai BU 500. BU condition Kolkata Mint Siya Das 200. Cellular Jail Kolkata Mint BU 400. 65 Hyderabad Mint rare coin, this is only for 400, and other one is there, this is for 300. You can take both for 500 if you are interested, only for today's offer. Otherwise it becomes 400, 300, 700, 500 rupees, 200 discount. 2002 Noida Mint BU condition, very scarce coin 300. 82 Dabbo coin UNC 200. 1990 Dabbo coin Hyderabad Mint, this is very scarce coin AUNC condition, only for 200. 82 Dabbo coin 200 each. Ghost 62 Mumbai Mint ghost image coin. You can see the lion ghost image is there, very scarce coin, only for 500 UNC condition. Jawaharlal Nehru Hyderabad Mint BU condition 5 rupees for 300. Hyderabad Mint UNC condition biodiversity only for 700. BU condition is there, this is for 1000. Shastri Ji Kolkata Mint UNC condition for 300. Quit India Movement Hyderabad Mint UNC condition 500. Kamraj Hyderabad Mint BU condition 400. 91 Parliamentary 300. Hyderabad Mint Subhash Chandra Bose AUNC condition 500. Small Family Mumbai Mint 300. Small Farmer BU condition. Quit India Movement BU condition Mumbai Mint 300. AUNC condition Tamil Conference Hyderabad Mint 400. Patel Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. 1950 Kolkata Mint 300. This is AUNC condition, but you can see a little some, I don't know, weather damage or something is there, that's for 300. Black Beauty Mumbai Mint 51 semicircle. This is rare. You can see the semicircle. See here, the teeth is, gap is between lion head. Here, this is 51 semicircle. And Black Beauty, rare combination, 2800 BU condition. This is a Black Beauty, normal Black Beauty, Mumbai Mint, single mint coin. This is for 500 BU condition. Patel Noida Mint with a clear legend and clear mint mark. You can check, proper mint mark is there, Noida Mint. And see the hexagon and clear legends, face, chin, nose, cheeks, lion, only for 800 rupees. Hyderabad Mint, Madan Mohan Malviya, BU condition, only for 500. This is a die doubling, 1999. You see here, 99, 11, double Hyderabad Mint plus years. You can see the years, double years. I'm trying to show you. See there, double years. Only for 600 rupees. UNC to BUNC condition. This is error coin. Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 700. This is normal UNC conditions. This is for 800 rupees. This is 800. This is 700. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition. See this, rotation is there, 500. And one other one is the BU. This is for 500. Both for 500 rupees each. World Food Day, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 700. Tamil Conference, Noida Mint, BU condition, 600. Tamil, 2 rupees, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 1200. World Food Day, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 700. UNC condition, Sea Lion variety. This is Noida Mint, Arabindo, 500 rupees. AUNC condition, Noida Mint, Mother's Health, 900. UNC condition, Hyderabad, 1600. Only 100 rupees more from the book. Book says 1500. BU condition, Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai Mint, and BU condition, Kolkata Mint. Set for 1000 rupees. Sorry, 900 rupees set. This is 800. This is 200. 100 rupees discount for set. Mother's Health, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 2000. Rare coin this is. You can see. And Mother's Health, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 1200. If you want a set, you can take for 3000 rupees, 200 rupees less. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 800. Food for Future, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 800. Clear face. 94, A Lion, rare coin this is, 900. Clear lion, you can see, Noida Mint. Food and Agriculture, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 1200. Tilak Ki copper nickel die used in this Mumbai Mint BU condition. See the lion. It's a copper nickel lion, 2200. You can see the face and legend and all. Subhash Chandra Bose, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 900. ILO, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 800. Food and Agriculture, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 1000. Some 20 paise. 82 Mumbai, 100. 85 Mumbai, 150. 84 Mumbai, 150. 86 Mumbai, 100. 88 Mumbai, 100. Hyderabad Mint, Quit India Movement, and Hyderabad Mint Biodiversity. This is UNC condition only, but you can see little line. So I am giving it for only 500 rupees. This both set for 500 rupees. BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, ILO, 1600. UNC condition, B Lion, Mumbai Mint, rare coin, 1800. 1950 Mumbai Mint, AUNC condition, bull coin. See the clear bull. And 1950 Mumbai Mint. This is for 600 and this is for 2800. If you want set for 3000, I will give it away. Otherwise, becoming 3400, you can see. But when you take set, 3000 rupees set, rare set. World Food Day, Kolkata Mint, BU condition. Not easily available in the BU condition. You can check it, 800 rupees. BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, Happy Child, 700. 1993 Mumbai Mint, BU condition. This is a single mint coin. Last 1 rupee copper nickel, only for 1200, BU condition. UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 20 paise, World Food Day, rare, only for 1000 rupees. Should open and check it, show you. Here, only for 1000 rupees. Not easily available, this Kolkata Mint, this 10 paise and 20 paise, very difficult. Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, Agri Expo. See the disc effect, only for 1600, complete lion. You can see the lion, clear lion. And Mumbai, UNC condition, only for 800. Clear mint mark, you can see the mint mark. Water for Life, BU condition, Mumbai Mint, 800. AUNC condition, 94. A lion, only for 1000 rupees. See the clear lion. Very difficult to get in this UNC and AUNC condition. $19.50 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 1 rupee, single mint coin. This is 1500. 2000 B Mumbai Mint, BU condition. It's rare D lion variety. Because rare it is because condition, BU condition. You can see in this condition it is not very easily available, only for 1500 rupees. See the condition. 2004 Kolkata Mint. You can see this is normal UNC coin, rare coin, Kolkata Mint, only for 2100 rupees. Normal UNC, not gem UNC, BUNC and all this. 2100. 1947 UNC condition. This also normal UNC for 1200. This is a pig variety Kolkata Mint, rare coin. This is for 2000 rupees, 1911. And this is also pig variety silver Kolkata Mint, rare coin, 4900 rupees with mild rotation. But both coin for only for 6000 rupees. If you take both set for 6000, otherwise this becomes 6900. So 900 rupees discount in this. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Noida Mint, early strike, BU condition. See the line, this mint mark, and see the legends, everything is clear. See the hexagon condition. See the lion. Only for 3500, very sharp edge, almost like first strike, you can see. But I am not selling as a first strike, it is early strike. See the hexagon, sharp hexagon. Only for 3500. Normal coin price only I am giving. First War of Independence, Mumbai Mint. This is a 4-bag variety. Check the bags. AUNC condition. There are 4 bags. Only for 2200. AUNC condition. 1915 Mumbai Mint. 3000. See the clear head, clear crown and all. Check the legends clear. All his dress, everything is clear. And 1915 Kolkata Mint. This also clear head, clear dress. Only for 2400. If you want the set, some discount I can give. 3000 and 2400. I can give 200 rupees discount. Some 50 paces. 68 Mumbai, 200. 61 Kolkata, 200. 69 Mumbai, 200. 71 Kolkata, 100. 70 Kolkata, 100. 61 Mumbai, 200. 54 Kolkata, 500. 60 Kolkata, 200. 67 Mumbai, 300. Some 25 paces. 57 Kolkata, single mint coin, 300. Sorry, first 25 paise, this is Kolkata, 300. Quarter rupee, 46 Mumbai, 300. 67 Kolkata, 300. 61 Kolkata, 200. 60 Kolkata, 200. 66 Kolkata, these all UNC one, 200. 65 Mumbai, 200. 63 Mumbai, 200. 61 Mumbai, 200. 60 Mumbai, 200. 59 Mumbai, 59 is very scarce, 200. 57 also very scarce, 300. This is like extra fino condition. And there is some sharp edge variety. You see this sharp edge. Sharp. 1996 Noida Mint. UNC condition all this are. Shivaji Maharaj. Noida Mint. And one this is there. This is not very sharp, but clear legend, clear mint mark. Noida Mint, Patel. I'm just adding in this, all this 4 for 1500 rupees. Normal coin price I'm charging. I'm not charging anything extra. Even you buy normal coin only, single coin, this will cost you around, this only will be 700-800 rupees. This will be 300 to 400. This is 500 to, like the sharp edge. So 1500 is a good deal. UNC condition. All Noida Mint. Nehru. This is a small teeth and large head variety. This is a large teeth and small head variety. Okay. This is a small teeth and large head, and large teeth and small head. Check the ear teeth. Yeah, check ear teeth. Only for 200 rupees set. Okay. Aurobindo. This is also a lion set from Kolkata. C lion and the D lion. You can see the D lion and you can see a C lion. Only for 700 rupees. Quarter rupee 44 Mumbai set. This is George 6 silver coin. This is normal and this is a reverse big, because this whole die is a different die. I will show you. You can see this lotus. You see here the lotus. Check this lotus here. See how many petals, and see this lotus difference. And you can see here the flowers here. These two small flowers are this side, and you see here these two flowers are there small, and this middle flower. You can come to know this whole die is a different die here. This is a different die, and this is a normal die. Set is for only, it's a UNC condition set. Set is for 1800 I think. I didn't write it, 1 minute. Here I wrote 1600 rupees. This is a normal coin. This is a mule coin. This I'll show you. You can see here this A. You can check A. First I'll show you only single alphabet. This A. You can see here the feet here. This. You can see this A. There is no sheriffs. From this start to end there is a sheriffs. Hope you all know what is sheriffs. On this there is a sheriffs. Here not there sheriffs. Here sheriffs are there. This is a mule coin. Whole die is different. 62 mule set. Only for 2600 rupees. 62. Very rare coin this is. This mule. Mahatma Basveshwar lion set. The tall lion and short lion. 300 rupees. Deshbandhu Noida Mint lion set. B lion, C lion. 700 rupees. Parliamentary Mumbai Mint BU condition set. This is for 800 rupees. Here this is a flat chest lion. This is a middle. You can see this big lion is there on the chest. 800 rupees. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee lion set Noida Mint. C1 lion, C2 lion. The Satyameva Jayate is close to the Ashoka lion. Here little gap is there, you can see. Only for 600 rupees. Mahatma Basveshwar. This is a UNC condition set, semicircle and normal coin. Only for 700 rupees. Yeah, 52 semicircle, and this is a rare 51 semicircle. You can see here, there, only for 700 rupees. Otherwise this single coin only sells for 1000 rupees, but set I am giving it for only 700 rupees. Bolu Mumbai Mint lion set, view condition, only for 400. Normal coin price only I am giving 200 rupees each coin sells, normal coin. So 200, 200, 400. C1 lion, C2 lion. I just told you Satyameva Jayate close to lion, and this is little in the middle, little bigger gap. 400 rupees. And there is some last lot is there. I'm showing you all the lot. This is some lot is there. Nehru. Some are Hyderabad Mint. Things are there here. Coins are there. Sorry. And this one is there. I don't think Hyderabad is there here. Okay. Only for 500 rupees all this. All this for 500 rupees. Very scarce coin. AUNC type coins. This is Calcutta. I can't see actually. 1 minute. This is Hyderabad. This is Hyderabad. Okay. It's all mixed mint. You can say. I don't know what is there. I didn't check. Just I put all together and kept. Only for 500 rupees all. How many are there here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think 12 coins are there. Okay, that's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.